Welcome back, guys. I hope you enjoyed your long weekend. I'm going to be going over the answers for the simile and metaphor practice that you guys did last week. I did the example with you. So number one, I am as hungry as a bear. As lets me know that it's a simile, and it's my hunger is being compared to the hunger of a bear. Number two, she was a kite floating above the confusion around her. There is no like or as, so I know right away it's a metaphor. And she is being compared to a kite. Number three, like a silent thief, the dog crept into the kitchen. So I see the word like. Right away, it lets me know that it is a simile, and the dog is being compared to a thief. Okay, so make sure you correct your answers on yours. Go back, do that. And when you log into your Google Classroom, you will have a couple of different things to do. The first thing I want you to do is the figurative language assignment, which is the simile and metaphor assignment. And when you click on it, okay, so it says you're to read the following sentences and write if the sentence is a simile or metaphor, and then explain what two things are being required. That means each question is worth 3 points. So, the first one says, my thoughts flutter from subject to subject like a butterfly visiting flowers in a field. So I see that it has the word like, so I know it is a simile. And the two things, and my thoughts are being compared to a butterfly visiting flowers. Okay, so as you can tell, it's a complete sentence. And once again, it's a simile because it uses the word like or as. It has like, and then my thoughts are being compared to butterflies visiting flowers. Okay, that means you only have to do 3 more, and then you'll hit submit, and I will get that back to you as possible. So after the simile and metaphor assignment, you do have the Number the Stars, Chapter 4. You click on that. This is a longer chapter, so you can either read it on your own or read it as a family. You can do either or you can listen to me read it. It is broken up, into 2 parts because it took me a little bit longer to read. So this is Chapter 1, Part 1, and then Chapter 4, Part 2. This one is only 2 minutes, so you can listen to me read that to you as well. And then you will be answering chapters 3 and 4 questions. So you'll be reviewing some of chapters 3 and 4. Once again, you do have some true and false questions. You'll answer those, and then you'll click next, and then you'll have 2 written responses. Send me an email, and I will get back to you if you have any questions or you're struggling with anything. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.